Can anyone say what is the meaning of worship? What is the meaning of worship? When let us see very clear. When you hear Hare Krishna, when you hear the word worship, जब आपके मन में या दिख रहा है या सुन रहे हैं कि worship क्या आते हैं आपके मन में? जो भी है, आराधना, very good, okay, पूजा, then सेवा, very good, yes. Superior, okay, yeah, somebody superior to us, very good, okay. Or you can type those things for you. Whatever they are saying, you can type. Yeah, prayer, yes, okay. No, type there. Escape.
Involving your mind. Senses.
No. Type it to the screen on the same slide. Same slide you type it. Go up. Krishna. Yeah. यहाँ लगा सकते कोई. Same, yeah. Show it please. Show it on the screen. Whatever they are saying, you should type it. Just click here. Just click here. No. There is mouse moving. There you want mouse again. Okay, you click here. Click here. Just click here. Yeah. Type it. No. Just show it to the screen. Show the screen. Okay. What was Aradhana? You type Aradhana.
Prayer, seva.
Wait, one by one. That can be right. Hare Krishna, listen here. Let us understand what is worship. Aradhana, then seva. Yataraman Prabhu. Seva, then prayers. Yes, very good. Somebody said superior. Yeah, it's a superior. Correct. Somebody superior to us. When you are offering each one, you say the mantra.
Puja.
Idam abhanyam, idam malyam, idam tilakam, idam upavidam. This time. Then puja, then deity worship. Yes, deity worship. Oh and reverence. Very good. Oh and reverence. No, worship as such. Gratitude. Very relevant. जी आप ये नहीं लिखा ना ओ एंड रेवरेंस ह्यूमैनिटी हाँ अच्छा ह्यूमैनिटी adoration super yes very good humility honor very good point Vandanam, yeah. Respect, yeah. Then over and reverence will come in respect. Surrender, yeah, good point. Yeah, superior and surrender will go together. Yeah?
Association.
Vandanam, yeah.
Mind and body, involving your mind and body.
Association. Mind and body involving in the service. Very good point. A service has come there, maybe we can say some other terminology we use for that.
Association.
Dedication. Yeah. Aradhana is archana. Yeah. Devotion. Yes. Cleanliness. Very good point. Yeah. Cleanliness. It's a main part of devotional service. Yes. What else? Sentiments. Are we sentimentalist? Yeah, not right. Who said sentiment? Okay. Emotion can come there. How much about is emotion? Is good, right? Or
Prabhuji, association also.
Association with Krishna, yeah, Prabhuji. Continuous expression of love. Wait, Prabhuji is slowly getting behind. Let us. Prabhuji, cleanliness. CLEANLINESS. LINE. LINE. Very good. Cleanliness. Then what else? Devotional respect. Respect has already come there. Duty. Some other points missed here.
Oh, same copy paste.
Reciprocation. Who said that? Very good point. Reciprocation. Yeah, that's a very good point. Yeah. So here starting some points of this offering. Yeah, very good.
Connect with God.
Huh?
Connect with God.
Connecting with the Lord. Yeah, good. Reciprocation then. Connection with the Lord. Somebody else said something. What's something?
association.
Association, yeah, association with the Lord, yeah. Very good then. Then Mandram already written. Prabhu has already said. Anything else? Yeah. That is it reciprocation? That's already come. Reciprocation has already come. Is same thing you said? Like, same one, yeah.
Like engaging our senses.
And that already came, I think, no? Veneration, very good point. Now, yeah, engaging our senses can be written both. I think nobody has said that.
Pleasing Lord.
Pleasing the Lord, very good. Yes, engaging our senses. Pleasing the Lord. No, senses. 1 minute. Pleasing the Lord.
Happiness, you can say.
Happiness. Whose happiness? For the Lord.
Pleasing is the same thing. Same thing.
Approach क्या आपने उधर से क्या बोला था? Glorification, yes, glorification. Yeah, glorification is more verbal, is it? No. Yeah, so I think it's not. Yeah, it's a part of worship. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we are glorifying the Lord, definitely. Yeah. Glorification, T-A-U-N, admiration. Yeah, you are admiring. Yes, admiring the Lord. Very good. Okay, so in this one, there are more point, practical, activity wise, you can add. Cleanliness already came. The first point didn't come. Punctuality. Yeah, punctuality. So that is very essential. Then, what else?
Respect.
Atmanivedan. Surrendering. Yeah, all come. Belief. What do you say about belief?
Faith.
Or can be replaced with faith? Faith will be more. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Respecting Krishna.
What? Shraddha. Good. Somebody said something here. Purification has come here, I think. No, purification is not come. I think somebody have told that. Good. Okay. Purification. Nishtha. Yeah. It's very clear because it should be, strong and steady. Yeah, Nishtha.
Determination.
Sadhana. How it's can you connect it? It's a part of sadhana for sure. No. Because sadhana also you can write. So very good. These all comes in worship. Right? Powerful. Worship. Try to उठाने के लिए शक्ति चाहिए. It should be powerful because really it is correct because खंडी तो छोड़ो भाई. The deity, the small deity, one deity, how much is weight? 45 kg. I couldn't lift. Really, I couldn't lift. Somebody had to come and help me for that. Really, you should be powerful if you want to go to Mayapur. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much for the contribution. Yeah, let's go to the next slide, please. Show full screen. Thank you. Very much valid points. Yeah, let's understand. This is actually let's go one by one. This is as per Bible. This understanding, this meaning which I have taken is from Bible. W stands for worship, and then O stands for obedience. Though it is biblic, but it's really relevant. Obedience. Next, reverence. Somebody have told here reverence point. Yes. Next, service. Then, holy living. You live with the Lord. It's like you feel holy. Then, inward transformation. Is it happening or not? Really, you transform. Your inner heart will become purified. It's really relevant. Yes. Praise. Aren't you praising the Lord? Yeah, somebody said here. What was other word it was?
Glorification.
Adoration, glorification and adoration. Yeah, exactly, yes. Praising the Lord. Then next. Worship, correct. Absolutely. So, this is very good meaning actually. It has a very relevance with our mood of worship. Correct? So, W is worship, obedience, reverence, service, holy living, inward transformation and praising. This is really worship. Yeah, go to the next page. The next one you already covered. This is already you have covered the 16 of Vicharas. Go to the next page. Okay, anybody said go further up. Yeah, yes. Can anyone say by heart what are the 16? Have you raised the hand or you are scratching your head? No, sometimes when you appeal in front of the umpire, he asks you to go to raise your hand for an out. So Mataji is raising, I thought she is going to say. Yeah, somebody, anybody can?
Asanam.
No, without.
Asanam.
Yeah, Mataji, go close the window. But you just go to hear me. No, tell me, Mataji. Just try.
आसनं स्वागतं पाद्यं
Argyam.
अर्चनम् अर्घ्यम् आचनं
Not Achana, Achamanam.
आचमनीयं मधुपाक
Very good. No, please let us keep quiet. Let one person say, I'll give you a chance if you want. Please don't interrupt others. Please.
पूर्ण आचमनं
Punar Achanam. Very good.
स्नानं वस्त्रम् अलङ्कारं सुगन्धं पुष्पं धूपं दीपं नैवेद्यं प्रणामः
Wow! Super. Well attended. Just one or slide, one or two these things well, but really appreciate. Anybody else? Proji. Anybody? Please. See, yeah.
आसनं स्वागतं अर्घ्यं पाद्यं अर्घ्यं पुनराचमनं
No. First charge, not Punar.
आचमनं
Welcome drink.
मधुपर्कं पुनराचमनं स्नानं वस्त्रं स्नानं वस्त्रं स्नानं वस्त्रं
Alankara.
अलङ्कारं पुष्प अर्चन
Before Pushpa.
गंध पुष्प धूपं दीपं नैवेद्यं प्रणामः
Oh, excellent. Very good. Well done. Anybody else? Yeah, Balaji, please.
आसनं सुस्वागतं then padyam argyam आचमनं then आचमनं then मधुपर्कं पुनः आचमनं स्नानं वस्त्रम् आवरणं
Correctly.
गन्धं पुष्पं धूपं दीपं
Naivedya
नैवेद्यं
Pranama.
प्रणामः
Oh, super. Very good. Anybody else wants to try? Have a try? Or we'll go ahead? Okay. Now we have learned the 16 upacharas. Asanam, Swagatam, Padyam, Arkyam, Achamanam, Madhuparka, Punarachamanam, Snana, Vastra, Alankara, Gantha,
पुष्प धूप दीप नैवेद्य प्रणामम्.
In that, most of things we know. But 4 things are there. Padya, Arkhya, Achamana and Madhuparka. These 4 things are not like we can replace it with water. But as I said, for a bigger festival, when a main Abhishekam is going on, or sometimes on Ekadashi day, we can offer these proper 4 items to the Lord. So, like these type of katoris, not small bowls, we can take these things and then offer to the Lord. So, probably can also show them. Let's see what is coming in there. Go to the next slide. This is Padyam. Padyam consists of these 4 things. So, it is nothing but washing the lotus feet of the Lord. Washing the lotus feet of the Lord. The ingredients are lotus seeds, not makhana. There's a black color, the seed comes up. Huh? That black color, or kala color. That seeds, tulsi leaves, darbha tips means kusha grass. Kusha grass ka hamesha tips is considered as auspicious, not the rest. इसलिए कि हम लोग जब when we do the homa also, we use always the tips. From the tip, 9-inch size, 1 hasta size, this is what we use always. हमेशा हम लोग उसका जो tips, जो अग्र से हम लोग लेते हैं, नीचे से नहीं लेते. तो नीचे से यूज करते झाड़ू मारने के लिए. जो यज्ञ का जो होम कुंड बनने के बाद नॉर्मल झाड़ू से झाड़ू नहीं मारते, साफ करना है तो कुशा का जो बाकी भाग से करते हैं. तो अग्र से हम लोग नॉर्मली यूज करते हैं. सो ऑलवेज टिप्स मींस नॉट लाइक इतना लंबा, थोड़ा सा इतना जैसे छोटा बाउल के अंदर आता है उतना ही. दर्भ या कुशा का टिप्स है श्याम ध्यान धान्य, मतलब नथिंग बट चामराइस. मैंने जो चामराइस है, हाँ चामराइस. These 4 things with water. And whatever I am saying here, though here tulsi leaves specifically said, but any item should have tulsi leaves. Okay? That should be put before doing the purification process. So lotus seed, उसको थोड़ा सा powder करना है. Okay, उसको crush करके, or you can use that one. Tulsi leaves you can put as it is. Dharba tips थोड़ा सा इतना लंबाई में तोड़ कर डाल सकते हैं. श्याम ध्यान ऐसे डाल सकते हैं. This is what the ingredients of Padya. Padya is washing the lotus feet. Okay, go to the next slide, please. Anybody has any question? Nothing is clear, right? Okay, next one. Okay. This is Arkhya. Arkhya is sprinkling water on the head. You know, how many of you have been to marriages while doing, by doing a service of sprinkling this paneer? What is the benefit of that? You honor a guest, but what's the benefit? It's cooling effect for the person. No, it is much, what do you call, we become more fragrance. The one who sprinkles becomes more fragrant. Because all the paneer, जो पानी है वो हमारा रोज वाटर जो हमारे शरीर पर गिरकर हम कहीं भी जाएगा तो हमको शुद्धिकरण बनाते हैं. इसीलिए तो ये भी करेगा तो हमारा शुद्धिकरण हो जाता है. So sprinkling water contains, these are the ingredients. Flowers, any flowers. Of course we know that normally sugandha, fragrance, flowers with the fragrance. White sesame, tea, white rice, barley, durva grass. You know that, right? What is that? What is that? जो गणेश को चढ़ाता है, गणेश को जो गणेश को चढ़ाता है, माला वगैरह बना के गणेश को चढ़ाता है, वही दुर्वा ग्रास. कुशा टिप्स इसमें भी आते हैं. व्हाइट मस्टर्ड सीड्स, हाँ व्हाइट बताता है लेकिन वो येलो कलर में. और गंधा, गंधा इज नथिंग बट चंद्र. So these are the ingredients of arghya. Clear? Okay, next slide, Pooji. This is achamana. Achamana is for mouth freshener. It's used as a mouth refreshener, a freshener, or it's known as purification. It contains nutmeg, clove, and karkola. Don't ask me what is karkola. You can Google it. So far, I have seen only it in Mayapur. Nowhere else you get it. Karkola, Bangla में है माता जी. हाँ, नहीं ककरोल नहीं, वो तो दूसरा है. एक करकोला, ये भी जैसा काला काला के एक सीड जैसा आता है. करकोला ऐसी बोल. अब गूगल में सर्च कीजिए मिल जाएगा, पर लेकिन वो तो मायापुर में ही नहीं देखा और कहीं नहीं देखा, पता नहीं किधर मिलता है. It's like a small seed, एक छोटा सा दाना जैसा है. तो नटमेग सबको मालूम है ना? नहीं, वो जायफल तुम्हारे जायफल का जो सीड है ना, उस सीड के अंदर का जो उसको थोड़ा ग्राइंड करके या तोड़कर पानी में डालना है. क्लोव, लौंग और करकोला. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग सोचे कि भगवान के लिए जैसे भी कैसे भी चलेगा. I was like happened to be as a tutor. I mean, I was teaching there in Mayapur Academy for the same course. That time I was doing the test. तो एक प्रभु जी था, बहुत अच्छे से कर रहा था. करने के बाद ना, मैं जब अचानक वो जस्ट उसका जो कटोरी में जब देखा ना, कि मुझे कुछ अजीब सा लगा. भाई ये कैसे ऐसे कुछ अजीब सा कलर लेके काला दिख रहा है. मैंने क्या हो गया? मैंने थोड़ा सा प्रभु जी हाथ में दीजिए. मैंने मुंह में डाला कि अरे डाला नहीं जाता, इतना मुंह में डाल नहीं सके, उसकी इतना कड़वा लग रहा है और इतना तीखा और कड़वा था. It was so bitter and spicy. इसमें एक करकोला is like bitter and clove is like spicy. वो इतना सारा झदापा का डाल दिया उसके अंदर. मैंने थोड़ा पी के देखो, क्या ये भगवान को हम देंगे? कि हम सोचते हैं कि कैसे भी चलेगा. No, it's not work like that. It will not work like that. We should see that it is edible or one person can put it in his mouth. जैसे कि मूर्ति है, कुछ रेस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगा, ऐसा जो ज़्यादा तीखा होगा, ज़्यादा ये होगा. No, it will not work like that. तो वो इतना ये हो गया था, वो भी हैरान. मेरे उन्होंने कभी नहीं सोचा ये भाई ऐसा कर लोग देखेंगे कि it is not like it's not a correct thing what we do. So we should give it in a very proper way. I'll go to the next one. This is called Madhubarka. Madhubarka is nothing but welcome drink. So when somebody comes to our house, we give a glass of juice, a glass of some lemon drink or whatever. So this we know. This is normal our Abhishekam items, right? But there's a proportion actually. It is not that simply we do. Milk is 2 portion, yogurt is 4 portion, ghee is 1 portion, honey 2, sugar syrup 2. Milk 2, yogurt 4, ghee 1, honey 2, sugar syrup 2. This is a normal proportion which Madhubarka is made. It is very tasty. 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 2. So you mix this one and see, it is very tasty. See one more thing you should. Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्णा. कोई सवाल है तो अगर जोर से पूछेगा तो हम बताएंगे, कोई पता चलेगा. Okay, clear? Okay. See, you know there is a Panchagavya, you know? Panchagavya. What are Panchagavya? Yeah. So Panchagavya can be used for 2 purposes. One is for purification. Second is for the Lord, for these type of things. Okay, cow dung and urine is not used for abhishek, but normally we touch it. Like. But when you use for 2 purposes, the mixing is in 2 different ways. The mixing of the ingredients is in 2 different ways. For if it is for a purification purpose, cow dung should be put first. cow urine should be put first, then you should mix that together first, well. Once that is mixed well properly, then you should add ghee to that. Then ghee should be mixed well, then you should add yogurt into that. Then the yogurt is mixed well without even little bit even that granules. Then you should add milk into that and mix. But if it is for abhishekam purpose, it should be other way around. Milk should be put first, poured first, then yogurt, then ghee, then cow urine, and then cow dung. So it has a meaning. It is not that simply however you want to add it and then put it on the Lord. No, there is a proper way how this is done. So this is one. Yeah, Prabhuji, you can go further down. Milk, yogurt, ghee, cow urine, and then cow dung. Next one. I think it's done. So this is just for summarizing the things. This is the procedure when you sit for. I started doing this one. So first you sit for asana sthapana. This mantra I chanted while doing this, but I didn't teach you. It's there is first mantra we should chant while doing any such type of puja or while doing even the yajna. So anything you do an asana sthapana for us to sit. That is called yeah. So Prithvi Tvaya Dhrida Loka Devi Tvam Vishnuna Dhrida Tvam Chatharaya Mam Nityam Pavitram Chasanti. This mantra is chanted at the beginning because we are asking Bhumi Devi to hold us. Please engage me in the service of the Lord. Prithvi Tvaya Dhrida Loka Devi Tvam Vishnuna Dhrida Tvam Chatharaya Mam Nityam Pavitram Chasanti. So this mantra should be chanted. That's called Asana Sthapana. Arrange the paraphernalia. Requesting Guru's blessing. Can anyone remember what is the mantra for that?
Guru Paramananda.
Very good. Excellent. Sudananda Sevayam. Very good. Super. Yes. Purifying hands. What we should do? Yes. Very good. Just take a chandan and then apply. Very good. See, all experts. Next, purifying flowers. Anyone can remember the mantra? Then? Can anyone chant completely? Very good. Super. Then purifying paraphernalia. What are things we should do? No. Purify the paraphernalia. Entire things are kept. Bell order comes later. Hare Krishna, one second. There is a confusion. I heard it 2 times this thing. That the mantra we are chanting for the bell and the shankha is not purifying. It's a worshipping them. We are worshipping, we are glorifying them. We are worshipping them so that we are going to use them for the Lord. So it's not purification. I'm asking here, purifying paraphernalia, what should we do? Yes. Then what else? No. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Yeah.
Chakra, Hladini, Venu.
And what we should do?
Om. 8 times.
How many times?
8 times.
What is a mudra? No. While doing like Purna mudra, what you this is see once again. This is also though it is counting. This is also known as a mudra. ये भी एक मुद्रा है. So I am telling you, ये किसी को नहीं जाके दिखाना. This is a confidential mudra actually. हमारा क्लास है इसलिए मैं खोला बता रहा हूँ. एक confidential मुद्रा है. Don't go and tell to anyone. Okay? I'm serious. So this is a mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? ये 8 बार क्या बोलेंगे आप? Very good. So that is what purifying fire open area. जैसे तरफ पूरा आप लोग देखा होगा ना, सारे सामान का तो मैंने पूरा ये दिखाया था. So ये करना है. What we should do purifying the body? Achaman is correct. Achaman we already performed before starting, but after that, while sitting there, no.
Then we have to worship our Guru and say that.
Yes, no. We chanted one mantra. No. Huh? Naham vipro nachadarabhadarna vivaishwa nashudro.
गोपी भक्त
Yes. Very good. Worshipping bell. Who can say the full mantra? Don't just simply shout. Who can say? Raise the hand. Who can say the mantra? Yes. No. Bell. There are two mantras. I said one mantra now. Om. Not mantra. जयध्वनि मंत्र मत स्वाहा. ओ एते गंध पुष्पे ओम जयध्वनि मंत्र मत स्वाहा. What you should do then? Offer the gandha pushpa, apply on that shanga, then ring it with the left hand, and then say एते गंध पुष्पे ओम जयध्वनि मंत्र मत स्वाहा. Then after that, सर्ववाद्यं देवदेवस्य वल्लभे त्वां विना नैव सर्वेषां
शुभम भवति
शुभम भवति. What is the meaning of that?
Without you, no worship can be happened.
Yes, there's no worship should be completed. Worship is the conch. I said raise the hand. हाथ उठाइए. जो किसको
नमो संत स्वाहा
one word missing.
स्वाहा
Om Hom Namah Mahashambhaya. Okay, approach the next one. Okay, then these are the main things. Worshipping Guru, worshipping Srila Prabhupada, worship of Gauranitai or whichever the deity you are worshipping, then asking for forgiveness. These are the complete steps we are performing for Shodashopachara. And each one consists of 3 steps. Anyone can remember what is that? What are they? Worshipping Guru has 3, Srila Prabhupada has 3, Gauranitai has 3. No, not the Upachara. The mainstreams have 3. No, first thing. Dham Dhyana. Very good. Yes, you said Pida. Yes, correct. Yeah.
मूल मंत्र
Bahya Puja. Bahya Puja. Dham Dhyana. Then Bahya Puja. Then glorification. और glorification के अंदर आपको अभी जो actually here the process complete नहीं हुआ हमारा, क्योंकि हम लोग बीच में हम लोग ये शुरू हुए किसी उधर भगवान को रोका है. उस समय में जब गुरु का पूजा कर रहा था मैंने गुरु गायत्री की. That's also part of glorification. गौरंगा का पूजा बाह्य पूजा के बाद I have to chant the Gaura Gayatri. That's for the Brahmanical initiative devotees I'm saying. Others, you can say Hare Krishna. So then, these are the 3 parts of each one. Okay? So, here worshipping Guru, glorifying Guru, you know what we should chant? I told that. It's easy, everybody knows that. 3 stanzas of Sakshataritvena
यस्य प्रसादात्
Yasya Prasada
श्री विग्रह
Shri Vigraha. Very good, super. So then, Guru ध्यान मंत्र क्या था?
नमो
प्रातः श्रीमान नवद्वीपे द्विनेत्रम दुविजम गुरु वराभय प्रदम शांतम स्मरेत नाम. श्री प्रभुपाद का ग्लोरिफिकेशन मंत्र क्या है?
श्रीमान
त्वं गोपिका विशरमेस्तनयान्निकेशे सेवाधिकारिणि गुरो निज पाद पद्मे दास्यां प्रदाय कुरु मां व्रजकानने श्री राधाग्रिसेवन रसे सुभिमिं शुभाब्धां. So then Gauradatai. And I request everybody, probably you should ask everybody that shloka to be done in 2 weeks. Anarpita. सब लोग, हर व्यक्ति भक्त लोग 2 हफ्ते के अंदर एक श्लोक बाय हार्ट करके प्रभु जी को सुना। अनर्पिता चैतन्य चरितामृत आद्य लीला फर्स्ट चैप्टर 4th। ओके, कितने लोग सुनाएंगे प्रभु जी को? एवरीबॉडी। बाकी का हाथ क्या होगा? अनर्पिता चरिंचिदा करुणयावतीर्न कलो समर्पयितुं उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसा सुभक्ति श्रिया हरि पुरुष सुंदर विधि कदम वसंती विदः सदा हृदय कंठरे स्फुरदुवा सच्चिदानंद। Amazing. Read by heart the translations. It's very useful, especially for those who are preaching. So project next time. So this is what Dhamma Dhyana, personality Dhyana, whom we are worshipping, Manasa Puja and Bahya Puja. Okay, go next. Yes, next slide. It's never ends. It continues. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Any questions? We'll just complete the worship of the Lord and then we'll go for questions. So माता जी आप किधर तक किया? किधर माता जी किधर तक किया आपने? आभरणीय हो गया? Hare Krishna. So now any questions? We'll wind up the session. What's the time?
Prabhuji, you did Nivedyam before?
I did the Nivedyam. It's okay. We'll go for the order because maybe a little bit order mismatch was there. They just offered. ये पानी सबको. Okay, any questions?
Prabhuji,
Hare Krishna.
like in Padiyam you showed the ingredients are there, right? So how do we offer with spoon?
Adi I showed you should take it in a spoon and show it in the
Offer
feet. And then put it in the Visarjapad.
and Argyam, sprinkle.
Argyam, not sprinkling, same show it with the spoon and Visarjapad. Madhuparka, there's 2 options. If it is like in this way, in this bowl, there should be spoon in every separate. If you are offering it, let's say offer, there should be a spoon in that. Whenever you are taking Madhuparka, you should mix with the spoon because always honey is coming to be bottom. So you should mix it well. And either you can show it with the spoon or you can show it as full bowl. You can do that.
You won't give it comfort.
Camphor, yeah. I just There's no specific rule for that. नहीं है कि we use 1, 3, 5 or whatever.
That we should use the incense sticks or it should be dope sticks.
Incense sticks actually the reason why Hare Krishna silence. अब तो सुन लिया प्रभु जी क्या क्या पूछा सुना था क्यों फिर सुनना नहीं है मैं निकाल दूंगा प्रभु जी ने पूछा कि इंसेंस स्टिक्स यूज करना है या धूप यूज करना है तो ये धूप या इंसेंस स्टिक इसलिए यूज करने के लिए एडवाइजेबल नहीं है क्योंकि उसके अंदर बाम्बू स्टिक्स बाम्बू स्टिक्स आर वेरी डेंजरस इवन इस पुराने जमाने में जो डेड बॉडी भी लेके बाम्बू में लेके जाता था लेकिन बाम्बू को हटाता था फिर चिता में रखता है वो फ्यूनरल के लिए रखता था क्योंकि वो इस कैंसरस है आजकल केरला में बहुत सारे ब्राह्मण लोगों को ये पता चला कि कैंसर है क्योंकि मेन रीजन क्योंकि बड़ा बड़ा मोटा मोटा धूप लेके वो अगरबत्ती लेके जला सो फॉर हेल्थ रीजन अदर इज नथिंग इन दैट सो नॉर्मली मायापुर में तो इंसेंस यूज करते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव द प्रॉपर धूप इंसेंस सो दे यूज दैट सो दिस इज फॉर अस इट इज कन्वीनियंट इट इज अवेलेबल वी कैन यूज इट it's only for health reason otherwise there's nothing other rules for that. Hare Krishna, any other questions? Yeah.
We do abhishekam with milk, curd, and
Yeah.
that stuff when we are doing.
So now I did with water. Instead of water, you can do the abhishek, and the rest following again the same procedure.
So it should be separate, right, Prabhu? Like now you put gopi chandan, lemon, and all, and you scrub it. Right?
Yeah,
You
that's
have
what
to
you
change.
see. When you're doing abhisheka, you can do that one and remove that, or you can do first that, then do with the gopi chanda. But when you do the abhisheka, you remove that the charnamrita, then do it with the normal water. If you want to polish it, if it is not required, then you can continue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. If there is no more questions, we will end the session now.
Can I request Sachimataji to come here, please? Can you please ask Sachimataji to please come quickly?
So, आप मेरी सब डेट्स लिख सकते हैं तो किसी को लगाने के लिए दे सकते हैं. Thankful to Prabhuji and Mataji who has coordinated such a wonderful session. So it was really amazing and I felt so enthused to give whatever knowledge I acquired during my last course to you all, because I found the same enthusiasm in you. So I just wanted to say a small story and end of this session. Once there was two devotees were sitting in under beneath the tree. So that time Narada Muni passed by. He asked, then the devotees asked Narada Muni that if you're going to meet Lord Vishnu, please ask that. When we will reach him. So that time Narada Muni said, okay, we will go. So Narada Muni went and asked the Lord, and the Lord replied that just ask him to inform them that how many leaves are on the tree where they are sitting. There's a banyan tree. Banyan tree has a lot of leaves. So that much lifetime they have to take, and then they will come and meet me. Then Narada Muni went and replied the same thing to him. And one person was very morose, he said, felt very bad. He said, oh my God, how many lifetime I have to take to meet the Lord. So he was like genuine devotee, but he felt so morose. And then he went back to his home. But the first one, he started dancing. He was dancing in very enthusiasm. Oh my God, I'm going to see him after this many lifetime. I'm going to just. Immediately the Lord comes there. The Lord appeared there and Narada Muni said, come on, what is it, Lord? You told me that these people will take this many number of lifetime to come and meet you. Now you yourself came in. I said, for them to come and meet me that many lifetimes, I can come and meet you. I can come and meet them. So I can find that enthusiasm in you. So, and thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful association and opportunity to serve you all. And please forgive me if any shortcomings. And whatever good, if you have learned anything, all glories to go to my Guru Maharaj and Mayapur Academy, who taught me, unpad, gawar, good for nothing fellow, they made me something at least which I could share with you all. And it's all glories to Mayapur Academy and my teachers, Narsimha Kalcha Prabhu, Purma Chaitanya Prabhu, and there are 2-3 Matajis and so many teachers. So they are all glories to them. And my Guru Maharaj's mercy, nothing but. Other than that, nothing, the good for nothing fellow is me. So thank you so much. If any shortcomings is mine, please forgive me. You can say your elder brother or younger brother, whatever you consider us. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. I request everybody to please be seated for a minute. We would like to honor His Grace, Adhichand Lord Prabhu, for giving us this opportunity to learn the science of deity worship. And as a token of our love and affection to Him, we would like to offer small. I would request all of us to offer our Nanda Pranam. So we'd like to thank each one of you for being present today in that good number and also patiently waiting for the whole day to understand the science of deity worship. So thank you very much. We look forward for more such programs. आने वाले समय में और भी इसी तरह का कुछ सेमिनार्स करने का प्रयास करेंगे. आप सभी को सूचित किया जाएगा. कृपा करके भाग लीजिए. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.